When using a borescope, it is almost inevitable that the lens will come into contact with some type of debris, dirt, moisture, oil, or some other type of contaminant. If your camera's image is blurry or obscured, it may just be that the lens needs to be cleaned. When oil or debris does get on the camera tip of your borescope, it is important to clean it immediately after use so it will not harden or get sticky, making it harder to clean. The easiest, most gentle and effective way we have found to clean your camera tip is with simple household items. A bottle of isopropyl rubbing alcohol and either a soft microfiber cloth like the kind you use to wipe eyeglasses or a soft Q-tip. First, look at the lens to see if you can see any visible debris on it. On a lot of occasions, the lens can still be dirty without being able to see it with the naked eye. Use just a very small dab of alcohol on the cloth or Q-tip and carefully clean the camera portion. Turn on the scope to see if the image is clearer than before. If not, repeat the process. If the image is not clear after several treatments, then the issue may be something else besides a dirty borescope. In that case, it is best then to call the seller of your borescope for advice and troubleshooting on what to do next. Routine cleaning of your borescope is important, regardless if you have an issue with your camera's image. After cleaning, make sure to store your borescope in a carrying case and keep in a moderate to cool area for storage. For any additional questions about the cleaning and care of your inspection camera or any other questions, please contact Oasis Scientific.